Hey guys, another night on the beach with Forager. I've got some cracking stuff to show you. Some foraging, some cooking, really tasty clams, my mom's recipe. So stay tuned. But now I'm just going to cook my lunch, some sausages, mushrooms. Hi guys, I'm going to try and get some clams and cockles. It's not the best of tides, it's a small tide, not much amplitude. Low water only goes to 1.1 meters. On nice big tides you get 0.3, which means the water actually goes away almost completely. Well, let's give it a go. How do I know where the clams are? It's easy. Seaweed doesn't stick to sand, so if there's a seaweed there, it's got to be stuck to something. See, those big boats, they create waves that bring clams to the surface, and sometimes you don't have to dig to find them. See? And that's a decent size. That's the ones I want to get. Not many around. That's it guys, I've had enough. Just over 1 hour foraging for clams and some cockles, and I've got probably just over 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds. Obviously this is doing it the hard way. If I had brought a rake, I could just go and rake the sand and then just sort through the rocks or cockles or clams or whatever it comes up. You can see behind me those boats, they're here all the time. They're dragging nets with big rakes, and they're getting tons of these things every day. This is not a native species. I don't know how they got here. That's why. Okay, now we have an helicopter coming. That's the airfield over there. I've got my fair share. I can only take 5 pounds, yeah, that's maximum any person can take off of here. Unless you're a professional shellfish gatherer, which is the guys on the boats, you need to pay a license for that. It's like a professional license, it's not something you do for a weekend. So let's put this in seawater, and this will be my lunch tomorrow. Alright guys, I've cleaned them like this. Get rid of the seaweed, and I've changed the water 3 or 4 times already. And I'll change another 3 or 4 times before I eat them tomorrow for lunch. Oh, that's hot. But it's good. And someone else likes the smell as well, look. She likes it. I wonder why. I think I made a friend. Sun's gone. Soon will be time for bed. And wind's dying down, so mosquitoes are starting to show up. Onion. Okay. These are really good, guys. I wish there was a button you guys could press and just enable taste. That is awesome. I received a few questions on how I rigged my lazy jacks. Well, I have made a video I have done some footage, some filming this morning. I took everything apart, just left the sail on the spars and that's about it. And then re-rigged everything, including the lazy jacks. I won't show that now because that would make this video way too long. But within the next week I will upload that, so stay tuned. These are really great. Calma aí. This was a bit of a different format this week, but I can't be building boats every week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe. See you next week.